In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Excel tables and graphs using ChatGPT in a quick and straightforward manner. This method is incredibly beginner-friendly, so whether you're new to Excel or just looking for a more efficient way to handle your data, you're in the right place. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump right in. To start off, you'll want to open ChatGPT in your browser. This works seamlessly whether you're using it on a desktop or any other device. It's an excellent tool for anyone building reports, working on school projects, putting together business dashboards, or just trying to organize data more professionally. Once you have ChatGPT open, it's time to give it a clear prompt so that it knows exactly what kind of table you want it to generate for you. For instance, you could type something simple like, create an Excel table for monthly sales data with columns for month, sales, and profit. This straightforward request provides a good starting point. However, if you want to be more specific, feel free to elaborate. You could ask for a certain number of months, or request realistic values. Maybe even add extra columns if you feel that would be useful. The more details you provide, the better ChatGPT can create a table that fits your needs. Once you type out your prompt and hit send, ChatGPT will generate your table. Take a moment to review the data it presents. You want to make sure that the information matches what you need. If anything seems off, don't hesitate to ask ChatGPT for revisions. For example, you might say, make the sales values higher, or add more months, or even format it with headers only. This is one of the most significant advantages of using ChatGPT. It allows you to customize the output quickly and efficiently before you ever need to open Excel. When the table looks just right, you will then copy it from ChatGPT. Now open Microsoft Excel and paste it into a new sheet. Excel generally does an excellent job of automatically separating the data into rows and columns if the formatting is clean. If you find that the data is jumbled, don't worry. You can utilize the paste options or the text to columns tool to organize everything correctly. At this stage, you should have a neat spreadsheet containing your month, sales, and profit columns ready for use. The next step is to create your graph in Excel to visualize your data better. Click and drag to select the data you wish to include in your chart, making sure to include the headers as well. Now navigate to the Insert tab found at the top of Excel. Here you'll see various chart options. Pick the type of chart that suits your data best. For example, a bar chart is perfect for comparing values, a line chart beautifully displays trends over time, and a pie chart works wonders when you need to show proportions. Once you insert your chosen chart, Excel will automatically generate a visual representation based on the table you created. Now comes the fun part, customizing your chart. You can adjust the title, choose different colors, modify the labels, and even change the layout to make everything look as professional and clean as possible. If you want, you can also resize the chart and move it around your sheet so that it complements your report nicely. This will make your spreadsheet easier to read and a lot more polished. To recap the entire process briefly, you open ChatGPT, ask it to create an Excel table, copy the result into Excel, and then use the Insert tab to build a chart from your data. It's a quick and efficient way to save time and streamline your workflow, especially for those who need to create tables and graphs regularly. If this video helped make your tasks a little easier, please do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials like this one. And feel free to drop a comment below if there are any other Excel or AI productivity topics you'd love to learn about next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.